So good morning friends. So today we're going to learn about queue and how to implement queue and how to create functions of it. So first let's see what queue is. So queue is basically what it is that like imagine you have a pipe, okay? In that pipe what happens is that like first imagine you put a marble in that pipe like from one end, and the thing is that you can take the same marble from the other end. So it basically works on the principle of first in first out. So like the first marble you take it from the other end, and the second marble will come for the second, third marble third. So it's basically in order, not like stack. Okay, so now let's see how to implement and create functions of it. So I have already written down the code so that it won't be confusing for you. So let's start. So basically first we create a class queue, and then we define a function and we initialize it with an empty stack, with an empty list. With an empty list. And then after that we check if it is empty or not. If it is not empty, it'll be true. We are putting return length self.item to check if it is true or not. And then after that after checking if it's true, it will return true. And then after that we enqueue. In stack, what it was, enqueue means it was push, and like it's using the same method, append method, but in stack was push, and in queue it's dequeue. So basically enqueue. So basically so to see this, this in stack it's enqueue, in queue it's enqueue, and in stack it's push. So in we're using the same append method as well in this. This is gonna put the first element in to the pipe, like the first marble, it's gonna put the first marble in. So basically that. And then we have dequeue. What is basically, it's pop. In stack it's pop, in this it's dequeue. So first we check if the list is empty or not. If it is empty, if it is not empty, it will pop the first element. And the first element, that will be the first marble, it will pop the first marble whichever you put in the pipe. Otherwise it will just say queue is empty and will return none. And then after that we have to check, we got to check if the value the same thing in queue, same thing in stack is same thing for queue, for peak. So peak is just basically to check the first element's value. Otherwise it will otherwise if it is not empty, it will check the first element's value. If it is empty, it will not. Okay. And then after that is to check the size. That's basically to check the size of the list. And then we have display. That is basically to display is basically to display the queue and the items inside the queue. It's like, yeah. And now we are making a object. We are creating an object queue, and after this after creating an object queue, we add elements to it, 1 2 3. Then we do queue display, and then we do queue dequeue. Dequeue is basically dequeue was basically we were removing the element. So now we can see the code which I have ran here already. This is what it is. This is first we removed it, and this is what it is afterwards. It removed the first element. So thank you for watching my lecture. Have a great day.